Hey, we back, and it's your boy Mosky, back like we never left. Happy holiday season to everybody out there.
Have some holiday cheer.
Holiday cheer these nuts. Get back.
Today, we will be going over a classic sneaker that was featured in the movie He Got Game with Ray Allen and Denzel Washington. And y'all probably think I'm talking about the He Got Game 13s, but nah, we ain't talking about the He Got Game 13s. I'm talking about the Foamposite Pro Pearl. Hello? Who is this? Before we go over the shoe, make sure you smash that like button and hit that notification bell so y'all can know when I release the videos for y'all. These released on Black Friday, just like the Black Cat Forest that I previously made a video about. And yeah, it was hectic, bruh. I mean, these did way better than I expected them to do. I thought I would have a chance and maybe be able to hit a sale for these, but no siree, Bob. These motherfuckers barely made it past one day. Now, we already know the Black Cat Forest flew, but I thought y'all would take the brakes off and let these slide and let them sit. Like, I mean, there's a lot of stuff sitting. There's a lot of Foamposites sitting at the mall right now. Like, some heat Foamposite ones. There's copper sitting out there. There's royal blue sitting out there. You know, stuff like that. I mean, I guess y'all like Foamposite Pros. So, believe it or not, by the end of the day, most of the sizes on the Foamposite Pros were gone. There was like a few, but you know, those was like 7.5, 8. What are we gonna do with those? I for sure don't wear those sizes. Maybe a feline wears them sizes, but you know, the grown men out there, we wear, you know, I know y'all don't fit those unless you're a kid, you could wear that size. These retailed at $240, and geez, they was trying to rape our pockets. Like, on Black Friday, these and the Black Cat Forest come out. Jeez Louise, but yeah, these came out on every main chain retailer, just like all the time. Cheeks, Hibbett, Snipes, Foot Locker. But they did not last very long, bruh. I was very, very shocked about that. You did have enough time to grab these if you wanted these, because, you know, majority of the people were worried about the Black Cat Forest. So that gave you enough time to kind of make a decision on these, go to the mall, take a look, see if you really like them. I had to snatch a size 10 for him, because that's what size I wear. You know what I'm saying? I got these off a feature online, and when I was checking out, these were the only ones left. It was only a size 10 left in those little 7.5 sizes and 8 sizes that I said, and your boy had to snag it up. Y'all forced me to do it. I didn't have much time. I saw the sizes leaving, and I pressed green. I had to green it, you know. Deal with the consequences later. Deal with my tears later. Cause y'all just taking all my money. Y'all taking all my money on these sneakers. These come in a traditional Foamposite box. Nothing new about that. Shit. The UPS man been suplexing my shit. Damn. Just throwing my shit all around. I didn't do that. Let me find out that this box is heavy for you. These are just shoes. Like, why is my shit beat up already? The upper is a icy white shell, and yeah, even though these are the pearls, they're not the pearl colors like the cleats are. Have y'all seen the pearl cleats? Them motherfuckers is butter. Motherfuckers wet. But anyways, these are like an icy white. The cleats are like pearly white. Whatever. I mean, these look straight like this, but I mean, they're kind of matte. I I prefer glossy shit. Y'all already know how I am. I prefer glossy shit, but I'm gonna be grateful because these are a classic shoe. So yeah, you get that icy white upper with the black accents on the swoosh. You get that Nike swoosh because these are Foamposite Pros. You know, we've been getting a lot of Foamposite ones lately. It's been a minute since we've gotten some Foamposite Pros, so I'm excited for that. You know, I'm a foamy boy. The outsole is a little different from the Foamposite ones. You know how those be. Those are just a plain bottom. Those are just a plain bottom. The Foamposite Pros are a little different. These come with a translucent sole. I ain't gonna lie, these bottoms is wet. That swoosh, that big old traditional swoosh. You got the red traction pods. Yeah, these outsoles are busting on the ones. I can't lie. You do get Zoom air cushioning. That's why everybody loves foams, for the Zoom air cushioning. And you know, that's good technology. Within time, Foamposites really mold into your feet, so that's when you really get in the bag. You start enjoying foams when you break these motherfuckers in. They feel so fucking good on your feet. They mold to however your foot is. So that's why I love Foamposites personally. Like I said in the beginning, a couple NBA players wore these. These are famous because of Ray Allen in the movie He Got Game, but he wasn't the only person to wear these. That boy Tim Duncan also wore these early in his career while he was on the Spurs. I remember seeing him running around in these. I also remember seeing him run around in them other Foamposites. I don't know what the name of those, that actual model is, but them things ugly, boy. Them things is hurt. Them things is hurt. I'm gonna try and figure out the name of those so I can show y'all. But I actually used to have those at one point in my life. Them things is terrible. What are those called? Let me know in the comments if you copped the Foamposite Pearl Pro or Pro Pearl. Let me know if you copped these. You know? And they got my shit choked like a gorilla pimp be having his hole. I need to relace these. Y'all already know that. Look, them shits are like Reggie Miller memes. You feel me? We gotta get these motherfuckers right for surely. So you already know what Big Bro gotta do. You gotta hit him with it, lace it. Hit him with a